I can live through every memory again. Just one more time before we float off in the wind. And all the time